So currently I am on the Lumalus Boulevard, and I'm on the section that is in San Ignacio, and it links and connects to Joseph Andrews Boulevard. Landmark will be Big H on your left, and on the right your second landmark would be Sacred Heart and Junior College, Sacred Heart High School, and Gullies. I'm gingerly coming up on the Branchmouth Road. If you take the Lumalus Boulevard to Joseph Andrews and to the Bullet Tree Road, walking to the Santa Elena bridge, it'll take you about 20 minutes, just gingerly coming along at a snail pace. Once you get to the Bullet Tree and Joseph Andrews light, you'll make a left-hand turn and that'll take you downtown. So this is the Branchmouth Road, and in this direction here you're coming from downtown San Ignacio Welcome Center area. Across the way that leads you to Branchmouth, and a hammock bridge, a pedestrian hammock bridge that links you to Santa Familia. This means stop. You don't have the right of way. The Branchmouth is an area where the Macal and the Mopan River meets and connect and becomes the Belize Old River. So that intersection there, it's took me 20 minutes, like I said, at a snail pace. So speed limit 25 miles for truck and buses. It's 15. I'm assuming the cars and other stuff are pickups are 25. That's Santa Elena over on that side. I think all the way to about there might be Santa Elena, and that bridge in between them might be the Macal River Valley belt, as in the Macal River too. So to make it to the Santa Elena bridge, walking from Bullet Tree Road, Joseph Andrews Road at the traffic light, it'll take roughly about 25 to about 28 minutes at a snail pace. The locks on the bridge are indication of saying hi, hello to the loved ones, or I guess it's a romantic gesture. Commitment to love. This is a section of the Macal that empties into the Belize Old River and join the mighty Mopan, and they merge and become the Belize Old River. This is the Santa Elena section of it. And this is Trapeach section, a subdivision that's called Trapeach, which would make it roughly 70 to about 100 years old, this community. In this section here you can go down and it links and connects to the river as well. That's the old Trapeach road directly across where you see that pickup, that Isuzu, that's it. This is the Lumalus Boulevard that empties into New Santa Elena, different parts of New Santa Elena, Broadless Bank, George Price Highway. So right turn at the roundabout puts you back into the direction of the heartland of Santa Elena. A left hand turn leads you out into Esperanza and beyond. There's the Aguada that you can visit on this side, Ceviche, the Hive, I Feel, Tequila. That's a stop sign over there. That side don't have the right of way. Here's the other stop sign. You do not have the right of way. Okay, it says that construction got started on the Santa Elena San Ignacio bypass project, also known as Fort Road project, was completed in January 2024, year 2024, 23rd day of January. This project includes construction of the bridge plus paved with gravel road between the twin tongues. Don't hold me to that because I did research on the time it took for the bridge, and that's a different story. That will be coming up next. I'm under the impression that that phase of it that says the 23rd day, January 2014, that might be the asphalt section, the gravel section of paving the road. So on my return, I will be hiking back, but I will be taking a different route. So coming from Joseph Andrews to Lumalus, from the Bullet Tree Road, walking, let's say, 25-28 minutes, bicycle, maybe 15 to about 11 minutes, and car 3 to 4 minutes max. So this states that the construction got started on the Santa Elena Bridge connecting the Twin Tongue, which is double lane occupancy and not a single. It began in October 19th, 2012. 19th day, year 2012, month October. This bridge is a part of the Santa Elena San Ignacio bypass project. That's because these two gentlemen there lives in Cala Creek, and they said you can go in and out. The road is still underwater, but you can travel in and out. So it states that this project was funded by the Caribbean Development Bank plus this new bridge is the longest and highest bridge in Belize. It said that construction got started in 2012 and it was finished in 2017. But with an unexpected event that led to some extending work into 2018. So the bridge actually was completed in 2018 due to the fact that there were issues that was happening or preventing the bridge to have the flow of traffic. Cool. So with the existing bridge of the Hawksworth completing in 1949. So Hawksworth was finished in 1949. This new Santa Elena bridge project helped to alleviate some of the stress and tension that the Hawksworth bridge used to carry. The Hawksworth suspension bridge was imported from England as well. So we work for comments, like, shares, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. Check out the description, there's more information available there, more options that's readily available to the general public. Taking a different route back, so the time info will be placed in the description. My return, I'll be using Savannah, Branchmouth Road, and that journey will conclude at Welcome Center. So making a left-hand turn off of any roads, freeways and highway in Belize, you need to veer hard to your right and give the flow of traffic the right of way before you make your left-hand turn. So at this junction they didn't give enough or create or make enough room or space for you to do that left hand turn where you pull off to the shoulder on the right. I love that design that they're putting in the hedge. and fence. If you make the left-hand turn where that pickup truck is taking, Slim and Trim Guava Lim restaurant is right around here. So after visiting the bridge, you can stop in there and have food. I forgot, you can also eat at the Quality Chicken place as well. There's a restaurant in there too. And you can, if you're not happy or content over there, then you can stumble across and pop on in at Hody's restaurant. So a section of this is called Savannah and a section is called Branch Mouth. Branch Mouth section might be much closer, well, maybe from the Quality Chicken all the way to the river mouth. And then Savannah might start right down there at the end of the park and it leads into town. So it's roughly a 15-minute walk, gingerly coming along back into town via Savannah Branch Mouth Road. As you can see, they are slowly snapping back into business. And the Earl low line bridge is still underwater. You can take them to Crystal Way and San Antonio. So indication of education need for driving. How can you park and hit a park rail? Not saying something without saying anything. Add another 10 minutes roughly and you can walk from bridge to bridge. So starting from here and then going to the Santa Elena bridge, it will take you roughly 23 minutes, 23 to 25 minutes.